Yeah, I'm crazy, but I'm not that crazy to put on the lift like this without. So yeah, we're stripping a few things off the transmission that's going to get in our way, and then we're going to try and stab this thing. What are you taking off? Oh. Whew. I was a little scared. All right. Now we need to get the wires off of here. And they're tight like a twiga. That's never going through there. What the actual shit? God, this thing is gonna fight us the whole way. And
snap these bolts right now.
well, whatever. I don't care. May as well keep that together. What? Ye of little faith. I had no faith that was coming.
No faith at all that was gonna come apart.
All right, and this one doesn't look like it's all that bad, so it's probably just gonna stay. I don't even know what the hell this thing is, though. Some sort of shifter linkage of some sort. So I almost think I don't know. I think we get it up underneath there with the wheel dolly and get it close to where we want it, and then somehow slide the thing off the wheel dolly and onto the jack. Be careful, it's not on there very evenly. It'll tilt off the front.
Well, that guy. Should we take it off too?
Might as well. It's not. I mean, it's obsolete on this model. Yeah, because this is where I was thinking about doing another mount too. You know what I mean? We cut a hole and mount all four, and run it down to a pad and do a cross member.
Yeah. I was thinking these pieces for your front instead of on the actual thing. That pulls you back away from.
Do we have them on both sides?
Yeah.
Ooh, we do.
That's what I was thinking when I was looking at these transmissions.
I didn't notice those were there, but yeah. Because that would be a better spot than.
I seen another one, and it went straight down and had rubber bushings that went to a plate straight across the bottom, which would be.
That would be the better way to go.
And that's exactly how.
Yeah, and I can keep the mount hidden like up above the pan.
Yeah. Just having the one that comes across, if you did go all the way across the bottom on the front, that's right where that
inspection plate is, yeah.
But having it back this far would be out of
Yeah.
a lot of stuff.
And that's pretty strong, I think, yeah.
Well, one of the other transmissions I was looking at, that's where its mounts were. It was still
okay.
attached to the cross bracket. So
Well then, hey. All
I
right.
also had one that came down through here and into a bracket, but that looks really flimsy.
Yeah, I don't want to mount to those if I don't have to.
Mount to those. That looks like a little bad crack point.
Yeah.
All of those.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking something like this out here.
Yeah, the 4 plates there and down.
Yeah. But yeah, if we go right there, that should be plenty to hang it. You shouldn't need a rear. Because it's not that much further back than the one we were looking at, but I think we roll it up under there, get it close to where we want it, pull the jack stands, fucking let the truck down, then we'll get the jack up under there and I think what we do is we just slide the jack underneath the back, and we literally just slide this off of that onto the jack. And then we sit up under there somehow and man-fuck it up into the spot. Get a couple of 5 bolts in it and call it a fucking day. Put a jack stand up. We'll set the truck down where we want it. Put a jack stand on it to get it where we think we need it, and then call it. Because then from there I can build the brackets on my own. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just need the truck to be in a position that I can get in and out of it. Okay. Here you go, in case you need that. Okay. Hold on, I'm losing all my fucking nuts, bolts. Okay. Can you push back? All right, that's about as far as I can take it at the moment. Hold on, let me go up some. All right, come on back some more. Fuck. All right, can we slide the whole thing to you?
Yeah.
Just support it while we come to you, because I can't get a hold of it. All right, can you push and I'll hold it? Oh. Oh shit. You okay? What were we just hooked on? Okay. You gotta support it while we come forward. Okay. Okay, get real close, because as I go up, it's gonna come aft. Alright, I gotta let go of the tail shaft in order to jack.
I think I know it.
Alright, well, I hope you do. Tell me when you're ready to go forward again. You alright? You started moving, I got scared.
Yeah, me too.
You want me to come forward some so you're a little closer to that?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's it.
That was it?
We're cockeyed in it. Put it on the passenger side.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
It moved. I literally jumped across the floor. Alright, we need to cock it a little bit. It needs to come this way.
Yeah.
Okay, how are we going to do that?
3 inches.
How are we going to... That was fun. Alright, can you just hold it for a second? Okay.
Yeah.
That was a good bit.
There's a lot of it.
How did that do for us up there? Better?
Better.
Okay. I'm gonna scoochy boochy and go back up again. I can tell you my rear has to go to the driver's side.
Yeah.
You all right? What do you need?
Sounds like I'm hitting somewhere. I just can't see.
It's in the back here. My tail shaft is hitting, or not the tail shaft, but that the wing in the back here. But that's I mean, are you pushing up on it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to come up some more?
We've got this much, and then the torque converter will slide in.
Okay. Yeah, because we got to go in and this way.
Yeah. We have to be up this far before we can go in, and then from there we can go.
We good everywhere?
About to hit right here. It would be okay if we could go in, but
Are we to the go in yet?
if you go right there and hold it forward some,
What was that?
sliding in. The noise was the lift.
Okay, some more.
Go up. No, it's just tipping the back up now.
Tipping the back up.
Yeah.
So push in.
My front's gotta be hitting somewhere. I don't see.
You got your light? Because I'm touching the back here, but I need to go over. We already know that.
I can push up on it and it'll be able to go in. It's gonna tip your way a little bit.
I can go. I mean, yeah, I'm okay with that.
We can go forward.
Yeah, about that. Either we're hitting something.
The top's hitting on the passenger side.
Okay, so you want to put a bolt in, or if you can, or do we need to twist it, or what do you want me to do here?
Let me see.
Remember, you're going into aluminum, so. You all right?
Yeah, I got chunks of stuff.
Oh, you just smacked yourself in the face with the fucking socket.
Oh,
Oh, it hurt.
okay.
You got a little started?
Should let us twist it this way, and I can get one on
All right.
this side.
Do you got another one, or you need one?
And
Here's a studded one. I don't know if it really matters. Or do you want a different one? I've got a regular one too. It was the first one I grabbed. All right. The problem is that in order for me to do this, I gotta get in a shit spot. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, maybe.
get started.
I can come a little bit more, but not much.
Of course I did.
What?
I put those big ass bolts back in the hole,
And they're in the way?
and they're in the way.
Go to a different hole.
Now I should be able to get a bolt on the bottom. It's up there.
I'm gonna say, or get a couple on the top, maybe? Fuck.
You have one across. You got one on the top on each side. Problem is the top's almost touching. And the bottom's still got a gap, so if I could throw one in the bottom, it'd suck up the gap.
Whatever you need to do, just this is so super sketchy. Top's gonna suck, but then again, I've never done any truck that or car that they didn't.
They always suck. But with the zoop zoop and a really long extension, you could get the top ones from back there.
Yep, it won't be that bad.
This one's just bad because of whatever these lines are.
Fuel lines, I think, fuel and brake lines. All of which that will be reassessed on this model by the time we finish it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right?
Good. Okay.
Alright, so I have a jack stand. I just don't know where the fuck we want to put it because I gotta move the jack. I don't know. So, yeah, you know what I mean?
Maybe spin the jack that way and then put it underneath the tail shaft.
Perhaps. Now, I feel like the whole training needs to go this way a little. Just a little, but I don't know. Okay.
Board to sit on that.
No, I've got taller jack stands than this. This was just the closest one, and I thought it would work. You good? Is that gonna fuck the flange up on the pan?
Yeah, it's not going to fit inside of it.
All right, turn it. Yep. You good?
Should go there on the bolt.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we were lifting it. Is the motor off of the firewall? It looks like it is. Oh shit. God damn it. I found the problem. There's a block of wood right here that was holding the part for the motor from going too far forward. And we pinched the shit out of it.
You're in the insulation,
Uh-huh.
but
Insulation can go bye-bye and we'll heat tape it or what, heat pad it. All right, we're gonna have to go back down with the rear end and pull this piece of wood out
okay.
because I don't think it'll come out on its own. It's pretty pinched. So I'm gonna just put me where I need to be. I'm gonna slide the jack back under.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to worry about a belt keeper. See the space between the cross member and the pulley? Reach your finger down there. There's a space there.
Yeah.
So that looks a lot more like the engine does in your truck.
Yeah. I would agree.
Slight kickback, but not much. There's going to be I probably could have got away with not cutting some of those. Oh, that little nipple right there.
Nipple.
Yeah, we're gonna grind that off.
Yeah.
That's
That's the only place it's touching too, isn't it?
that and this spot right here, but we already cut most of this out.
This guy right here, it's all bowed out,
Yeah.
but it's
And
right there.
it's hitting right there too.
It ends right here. We gotta cut this little bit,
Yep.
and this comes back
Yep.
that far.
Yep. We're gonna be money.